Hello everyone. Imagine a platform where you can make money from the comfort of your home, invest small amount of money for higher returns, buy quality products and pay on installments. Welcome to NexMarket. My name is Ogenemine Omonife and I'm the CEO and founder of NexMarket.
And I am Oluwayemisi Victoria Akinwale. I'm a sales representative of NexMarket.
Growing up, I always wanted to turn small amount of money into something bigger. At a young age, I wanted how to make the most of the little I had. This drive led me to creating NexMarket, a solution for people like me who face challenges in starting a business with limited funds or finding accessible investment opportunities. Many people face financial challenges such as not having enough money to buy what they need or starting a business. Traditional investment platforms often require large minimum investments, making them inaccessible to many. Small business, on the other hand, struggle with managing inventory and delivery. NexMarket is an online platform that helps people to make money online by reselling products from their comfort zone without holding any inventory. Our resellers can go to our platform online and pick a particular product they want to market, add their price to it, and market it in whatever platform they want to use. When they get a customer who is ready to make a purchase, they go to our website and place the order for the customer, and we deliver directly to the customer. The reseller gets his payment 24 hours after a successful delivery. What makes us unique is that anyone can start with no capital, just a smartphone, and you can still earn money. We also give small investors a chance to invest in bulk purchase of goods, offering a 30% on their investment in just 9 months. We believe in making entrepreneurship easy for everyone, from students to stay-at-home parents, and empowering Nigeria to achieve financial independence. Join us at NexMarket, where we are growing together, making lives better and creating opportunities for everyone. Thank you.